Here's that portable scaffold, the box that came in. Metaltech portable scaffolding. The thing is wonderful. Let me give you a little vid. I'll show you in use how amazing it is. So in the background you can hear construction, or I should say destruction. But I'll take you upstairs and show you how I use it. It is wonderful. Okay, here we are. I'm using that portable scaffolding. The thing is amazing. I'm going to get my assistant to hold the camera nicely without getting your fingers in there. And I'll show you what I think is the nicest process to get the plaster down. You want to have a hat, you want to have glasses, and you want to have a mask. If you don't have those, don't do it. So the nice thing with this is you get your head up high, so when the dust comes down, you're not sucking it all the time. You hit it with the flat side of the hammer, it gives up pretty easily. Then the nice thing is, you can just move it forward and progress. And you can work a ways out in front of yourself. You don't have to work overhead where all the dust is hitting you in the face. Work out ahead a little bit. And it's genius. So if you need one of these things, $100, I don't think you can beat it. So thanks for watching. Bye.